Hey everybody, I'm Brendan, and in this video I'll show you everything that you get with a BrainSpring Phonics First implementation kit. So first things first, you get 6 sand trays. Next, your Phonics First keyword stickers. 6 bags for your sand trays. A bag of BrainSpring's 6-pound magic sand. "24 whiteboard answer boards. "24 markers. 24 red crayons, 2 boxes. 24 dry erasers. A BrainSpring Phonics First Classroom card pack. And 24 Redword screens. So that's everything you get in your kit. You'll also get access to our digital library, where you'll find all of your course publications, access to our members area, where you'll find hundreds of resources to use with your students, and a 1-year access pass to our course review, a valuable refresher that'll help you stay sharp in the classroom. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy implementing Phonics First into your classroom.